if you look at this question is given integral of, now LHS you have to match with the RHS and say what is the value of k, correct or not. So let's say we can say integral of secant squared x into cosecant to the power 4x dx, which can be written as 1 divided by secant squared x is 1 by cos squared x into 1 divided by what is it, sine to the power 4x, correct or not, into sine to the power 4x times dx. Now this 1 can be written as sine squared x plus cos squared x divided by sine to the power 4x into cos squared x, correct or not, cos squared x dx. So I can write integration of 1 divided by sine squared x into cos squared x, I will split this like this dx, plus integration of 1 divided by sine to the power 4x times dx. Now again I can write this 1 can be written as sine squared x plus cos squared x, right or not. So denominator has got two parts, the numerator has got two parts, denominator only one part, because it's multiplied. I'll split it like this. Sine squared will get cancelled, 1 by sine squared x cos squared x. Here 1 divided by sine to the power 4x, because cos squared x will get cancelled. Divided by sine squared x plus cos squared x, right, cos squared x dx plus integration of cosecant to the power of 4x dx, right. So we'll get what? Now here it is sine squared x into cos squared x, correct or not. So what is the answer that we get? This is equal to integration of secant squared x plus cosecant squared x times dx plus cosecant to the power 4x can be written as cosecant squared x into cosecant squared x into cosecant squared x, right, cosecant squared x times dx. So now what is the integration of secant squared x? This is nothing but tan x. Cosecant squared x is nothing but minus cot x, correct, plus integration of this cosecant squared x, 1 plus cot squared x is cosecant squared x, right, 1 plus cot squared x is nothing but cosecant squared x. So I can say here this is nothing but 1 plus cot squared x into cosecant squared x times dx, right or not. Are you following? 1 plus cot squared x times cosecant squared x times dx. So we may write here I is equal to, this is nothing but tan x minus of cot x plus integration of cosecant squared x plus cot squared x into what is it, cosecant squared x times dx, correct. So we may write here I is equal to tan x minus of cot x, tan x minus cot x, integration of minus cosecant squared is nothing but minus cot x. So we get here minus 2 cot x we got, and this part here plus integration of cot squared x into cosecant squared x times dx. Here I will put cot x is equal to t, See now if you try and understand this part, here you will never end up with 10, right, you will never end up with 10. I will get here something like tan x minus 2 cot x plus here something which is not having a tan function, correct, plus something which I am not bothered, plus c. Now you compare this part with this part. If you compare, definitely you will not get a term with the t. So here if you see here this part, if you compare with this part, what is the value of k you will get? You will get the value of k is equal to plus 1 will be the answer to the question. Don't go to solve the complete problem. When you realize that you are not getting a required value, that is 10, for which you need the final answer in the form of coefficient of 10, you can end the answer here only. This is the answer to the question. Here you are getting tan x minus 2 cot x plus c. See, it's matching, right? 2 cot x plus c. That something should be, what is it now? Minus 1 by 3 cot cube x. Definitely if you try to solve it. Is it okay? This is the answer.